Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the Nike Air Terra Forma. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of the latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, helps us greatly. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown out our way. I just want to take this time and opportunity to thank subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we can't do this. So thank you. Let's go. So today we've got a look at the Nike Air Terra Forma, designed by the great Virgil Abloh. And we've got this in the Mantra Orange Clear Black colorway in the UK size 7.5, it's European 42, and it's US 8.5. So this is stated to be an original Nike joint from the late great Virgil Abloh. Rest in peace, big man. We love your work, always so influential throughout fashion even. And we just got one of his own original designs. And we just look at the box, so it's got a lot of that Virgil Abloh panache on it. So you got that safety deposit box, and at the bottom here, you got Off-White, and you got like that print that's synonymous with Off-White. And just unboxing right here, and here they are. A very, very different kind of sneaker, but it ticks a lot of that Off-White design that we're so used to when it came to Virgil Abloh's collaboration with Nike. And you can see a lot of originality. You can see some throwbacks as well here, because I'm already seeing some Nike ACG inspiration, especially because this sneaker is essentially designed for that group core fashion, a lot of hiking and trail running even. But we'll start looking at the details right now for you. So you got this lugged spiked outsole, and if you look here, it would say tread lightly. If you put them both right there together, tread lightly. I mean, obviously this sneaker is for hiking. Really, you can see the designs right there for you. And that is a rubber outsole with the spikes. Looking at the midsole unit, so that midsole unit is a blend, so you can see parts of the rubber again, that's right there. You can see this spongy, well, it's not spongy, I said that just out on a whim, but it's a foam right here. Nike Air Inner Space, as it mentions right there, in this nice color in the blue and orange. And then just on the heel counter, and the heel, you can see an air bubbled unit, and it extends towards the back as well, so it's got that extension right there. And then if you look at the upper of the sneaker, you got this beautiful blend of suedes and a lot of synthetic materials, so you can see this kind of like stitched translucent Nike swoosh on the lateral side, and it's got that famous orange rectangle there that you usually get from Off-White. And then on the medial side, so similar to a lot of Virgil's work with Nike that he did with like the 10 collection especially, and a lot of those, you can see the Off-White for Nike, and it's got the dress for Beaverton. But just here, it says Terra Forma right there. It is really cool print. And if you look at the lacing system, so you got this rope laces, you got this tongue that kind of reminds me of the Air Jordan 6 tongue. It's rubber, but kind of like foamy as well. The ankle support itself, very nicely foamed. Right there, cushioned for your protection and comfort. And if you look at the heel, so the heel says Off Air. It's really cool design, this graffiti print. And the upper of the sneaker, I mean, this kind of reminds me like of the ACG unit. Kind of reminds me of the, for the life of me, I can't remember the name, but it's one of the boots that Nike did with ACG. Well, ACG is Nike, one of their designs, but that's what it kind of reminds me of. It's early 90s, late 80s hiking boot vibes, but all the blends and technology you can find in Nike nowadays, right there. Got a pull tab to help get your feet in also. And again, like Virgil did an amazing job. I mean, the team at Off White really, and you know, the fact that such a unique design exists nowadays can't be. It's just a testament to Virgil Abloh's work and his inspiration. Again, he's one of the most influential designers of all time, in my opinion, and these sneakers are just one of those reasons why. So, really excited to try these on. One thing I did forget to mention is the pull tab. That's infamous with a lot of Off-White products, and I mean, personally, I take them off when I wear a lot of my Off-White stuff. So we've done like the Off-White presses, so do check that out if you get a minute. But I'm really excited to try these on. I'm a big fan of Gorp, big fan of Virgil Abloh. What can go wrong? But I've been trying these on. When it comes to the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Nike fit. I'm a size UK size 7.5, which is a 42. These fit perfectly, actually. They're a bit, I can't best describe it. The spikes feels like it has helped elevate it, but I can't really feel like if it's doing anything. They look really cool on, very unique. If you were looking for that fashionable Gorp tech look, I suggest getting a pair of these Terra Formas. Otherwise, you know, you're just doing it for Virgil out of love, and you know, he's one of the greatest. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz on Instagram and on TikTok. Until next time, peace.